Did you know how to reverse gluten intolerance? Gluten is a kind of protein primarily found in different types of grain called what? Rye, barley, and gluten intolerance is one of the common health issues that trigger numbers of people worldwide. People commonly make a false impression of gluten or wheat allergy with celiac disease. Most of our food items contain gluten, but allergic people may bother and face health troubles. Though celiac disease and wheat sensitivity generate almost the same symptoms, still there is a vast difference between celiac disease and gluten intolerance. Signs and symptoms of gluten intolerance. 1. Bloating and constipation. Bloating and constipation are common troubles and also major signs of gluten intolerance. When you feel fully bloated and heavy in the stomach, that can make you uncomfortable means bloating. According to one study, 88% of people with wheat allergies reported bloating even after eating small meals. Constipation is also a sign of gluten intolerance. When your bowel is not capable of clearing by itself, or you have less than 3 bowel activities in a week, you have constipation. 2. Sudden weight loss. Various researchers explain that sudden weight loss is also a major sign of gluten intolerance. If you are losing excess weight without any prior reason, you must ask an expert for a proper diagnosis. Wheat allergy and celiac disease both are responsible for that. Moreover, in small children, gluten intolerance causes weight gain. 3. Abdominal pain and diarrhea. More than 80% of people with gluten intolerance noticed abdominal pain after eating gluten-rich foods as a major sign of that. People may feel constipation and diarrhea at the same time. Our body reacts with gluten, which causes severe diarrhea. If you notice this without any other cause, you must consult a doctor as it can make you weak and dehydrated. 4. Weak immunity. If a person with wheat allergy eats a more gluten-rich diet or suffers from celiac disease, the body starts the autoimmune reaction by pointing to the small intestine and making it slow to absorb the needed nutrients. Even a perfect meal won't work out well if the intestinal villi have been affected or destroyed. 5. Depression. Depression is also one of the common disorders affecting millions of people, and a study revealed that people with digestive disorders are more prone to depression and anxiety. According to famous theories, gluten affects the serotonin hormone, also known as the hormone responsible for good mood and happiness, as celiac disease and wheat allergy affect your brain's neurotransmitters. The second theory declared that an increased amount of harmful bacteria in the intestine trigger the central nervous system causes anxiety and depression. 6. Joint and muscle pain. Numerous causes are available responsible for joint pain and muscle pain, especially in aged people. According to research, the celiac disease produces an oversensitive nervous system, and excess inflammation in joints results in joint and muscle pain. 7. Fatigue. If you constantly feel tired, it may happen due to your gluten-rich food. Moreover, it can lead to anemia and lack of energy. You may feel fatigued after having such a diet. 8. Skin issues. Dermatitis herpetiformis was the condition when your skin got rashes and red blisters, and people with gluten intolerance may affect by this chronic disease. The chances increased in people with celiac disease or wheat allergy of rashes and itchiness around knees, buttocks. 9. Hormonal imbalance. Hormonal changes are expected in women, especially during pregnancy and menopause, adding fatigue, anxiety, mood swings, digestive problems. Gluten intolerance creates stress to adrenal glands and makes them exhausted. 10. Heartburn. When the stomach acid increases in the esophagus, you feel heartburn, and sometimes it can be painful and make you uncomfortable for a few hours. If you occasionally have heartburn, it can be due to gluten intolerance. People with wheat allergies cannot absorb the nutrients. 11. Headache. If you are sensitive or allergic to gluten, you may feel a severe headache or a migraine, and people with gluten intolerance face more headaches than others. How to reverse gluten intolerance. Gluten sensitivity, also known as gluten intolerance, is a condition in which your body reacts negatively to gluten, a protein present in wheat, rye, and barley grains. Gluten causes the body's immune system to attack cells in the small intestine. There is no cure. Adopting a gluten-free diet can help to relieve symptoms. To ensure that your body receives all of the nutrients required to stay healthy, you may need to take specific vitamins and supplements. Eat more fruits and vegetables in your diet. Nowadays, due to the higher number of people allergic to wheat, you can easily have gluten-free food items that are also delicious without harming your digestive system. Many restaurants also offer food that has no gluten but checks once before ordering the food from outside. If you are new to this channel, subscribe so you will be aware when we post another video on how to eat. 5 and stay healthy.